Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iOS users are facing Wi-Fi issues after updating to the iOS 18.1.1. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up and down button and finally press the side button. Next, slide to power off until you see Apple logo. If a simple restart doesn't resolve the issue, let's try another solution. Solution 2. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnecting. Head to your settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Find your network. Tap the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi and select Forget this network. Next, reconnecting the Wi-Fi again and check if it's working or not. Solution 3. Reset network settings. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.